Well, during the discussion on motion of thanks, LOP Rahul Gandhi, while speaking in the Lok Sabha, has made a big charge on the BJP. Well, Rahul Gandhi has claimed that there was voter list manipulation in the Maharashtra elections. He said 70 lakh voters were added in just 5 months and the entire population of Himachal Pradesh was added to Maharashtra. He was referring to the alleged voter manipulation that the Congress party, the charge that Congress party has been leveling against the government. Rahul Gandhi has now asked for clarification from the Election Commission and said that the Election Commission needs to answer on this statement, on the claim that Rahul Gandhi here has made.
ये राहुल गांधी ने दोबारा बोला कि महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन आप इसलिए जीते क्योंकि आपने वोटर्स ऐड कर दिए थे।
देखिए, राहुल जी का भाषण पूरा हमने यहाँ पर सुना, कोई तथ्यों पे आधारित नहीं था और जो भी बात उन्होंने कही कि उसके तथ्य भी हमारे लोकसभा के अध्यक्ष बार बार उनसे ये कह रहे थे कि तथ्यों के साथ बात कीजिए और जो भी बात कर रहे हैं उसके तथ्य यहाँ पर पेश कीजिए। लेकिन उन्होंने जो थे कि एक पॉलिटिकल भाषण जिसे कहता है तो राजनीतिक भाषण उन्होंने किया और महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव के बारे में या वोटर के बारे में जो किया तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। अगर इनको है तो उन्होंने बाय प्रूफ चुनाव आयोग की तरफ जाना चाहिए, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में जो उनकी बुरी हार वहां पर हुई है, बुरी तरह से कांग्रेस पिट गई है और बहुत सिमट गई है, इसी वजह से लोग ऐसा अपना गुस्सा निकाल रहे हैं।
All right, let's also now get your reactions from the Congress party. Listen into what Priyanka Gandhi and Shashi Tharoor said after Rahul Gandhi's speech in the Lok Sabha.
Alternative vision, rather than merely sort of rebutting the government's claims in the president's speech. He specifically talked about the kinds of challenges that India needs to rise to if we want to become a more developed nation, if we want to keep our youth employed. He talked about the importance of production. He talked about the importance of participation of all sections of society. And of course, he also raised some serious questions about the fairness and integrity of the electoral process in order to protect the Constitution. It was a totally different approach to what perhaps many were expecting, and therefore it has given people a lot of cause to think. It was good the Prime Minister was also sitting there listening to this, and I think that the arguments that he made will deserve further reflection and response from the government, which is precisely what a leader of the opposition should be doing.
राहुल गांधी also raised China.
मुझे लगा कि ऐसा ही भाषण होना चाहिए नेता का कि एक विजन बताए, देश के लिए विजन क्या है, आगे की सोच क्या है, और इस जो तू मैं चलती रहती है इससे ऊपर उठकर देश के लिए बोले, और मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनका भाषण।